Now we're going to add the fillets to the model that we created in the previous lesson. If you recall, I chose not to include the fillets in the sketch profile, and there's a couple reasons for that. First, by not including the fillets in the sketch profile, it keeps the sketches simple. That way, if you have to go back and troubleshoot the sketches, there's less to deal with. The sketch is less complex. Secondly, I like to add the fillets as features, and I add those features, or I add the fillets as one of the last items to the part. That way, if I need to suppress, unsuppress, it's real easy to do, and there's no parent-child relationships that I need to worry about. Something else you may notice, I color my fillets red. The reason for that is, when you have models with a lot of fillets, by choosing a different color for the fillet, it makes it real easy to visualize whether or not you have all of the fillets applied and if they're applied in the correct location. Let's take a look at the next screen. Now on this screen, we see we have fillets with a radius of 3. Now let's go to the SolidWorks screen and add the fillets. Before we do that, I want to show you how to change the color of the fillets to red. I am going to go to my options. Under Document Properties, we have Model Display. And you are going to scroll through this list here until you find Fillet. Select Fillet, edit the color, choose your color, and select OK. Close out of this dialog box, and now we're ready to add the fillets. I'm going to select the fillet command, constant size, my radius is 3, and I want to fillet both of these circles here, so I can select this face and the same face on the back side of the part. I am going to select a green check mark, and notice the fillets are applied correctly, and they're very easy to see in the part because we changed the color to red. One last thing we need to do before we check the mask is to set the material to 1060 alloy. That's under aluminum. There's our 1060. Apply, close, and now we can go to the Evaluate tab. Select Mask Properties. Our mass is 1274.53. Let's go back to the testing screen. And we have 1274.53. So everything is modeled correctly. Congratulations.